WAEC is over, but admission may still take months. So what will your child be doing during this waiting period? Will they spend the next few months at home, sleeping, scrolling, and wasting valuable time? Or would they use this period to learn practical digital skills that will set them apart from their peers? With the Digital Titans Bootcamp, brought to you by Digital Dreams ICT Academy, this waiting period can become your child's advantage. At this hands-on bootcamp, your child will build websites, create digital designs, explore AI tools, and work on real projects. Whether your child just finished WAEC, Junior WAEC, SSCE, or is preparing for post-UTME, this program is just what they need to make them become more confident and future ready. The amazing thing is that distance is not a barrier in this program because classes are available both online and on-site. Slots are limited and registration is now open. Call us on the number on your screen to register now. Digital Dreams ICT Academy, turning dreams into digital skills.